Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sync your audio and video together on a PC on CapCut. And now what you want to do is of course import your video and audio here. If you are using of course audio from your own computer. So for example, if you have recorded your video with an external microphone and you want to sync it to your video, then this is what we will do. Now, when you have done that, you're gonna just drag your video right there and audio at the bottom here. Now, as you can see, this video doesn't have an audio, so there's no option to show it. So for the sake of this video, I just changed the video so it would have audio. Basically, you're gonna click on this video, then you're gonna click right there at the top audio, and you can see that there's basic options where you can see the volume. So what you want to do is actually to minimize it and that it would not have anything at all. As you can see, it moves now. So I'm just gonna basically mute it. Now you want to choose this audio. You may want to change it a little bit, but basically you're gonna hold shift or control or command on command on MacBook, for example, and you're gonna choose both of these options. And now you want to click on right click your mouse and you're gonna see sync video and audio option. So you're gonna click on that. And your video and audio will be synced now. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.